the New Yorker. So let's try New Yorker together. So we start facing each other. We have left to right hand connection. And here we would like to have our followers pushing against leaders. So we have a strong connection here. Now my body weight is on the right foot, my partner's is on the left. From here, try to use a little bit sense of the hip twist, collect your feet, and now going forward. 2, this is a rocking action, and arm going all the way up and behind here. Replace back, 3, collect and go to the side, 4, 1. Now the same here. And also, as we change our arms, we would like to re-establish connection. So now my right arm connected to my partner's left arm. Now this arm gonna go through the front as we collect our feet, and we have a rocking action forward, 2, replace back, 3, and collect, 4, 1. Now, it's a good tip to have your arm collect behind your head. So you have count 2, replace 3. Now take your arm all the way behind, and now give your hand to the partner. And 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Now the rhythm of the step will be and quick, quick, and slow, and quick, and slow. Now correct count will be and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Let's take a look from a different angle. So we collect and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1. So what to pay attention here? So of course, number 1, as we step here, we would like to have that beautiful posture and beautiful arm. So we have like a V shape, both of us create. So the arm go up, passing your face, and all the way back. And you want to feel a nice stretch here. Now the next one, this arm gonna go behind your head, and then we reconnect. And exactly the same happening on the other side. So you want to get this nice stretch right here, create a beautiful V type of sign. So the next one is, for us, is important to establish this connection. So here connection will be slightly different. So my partner's hand gonna push against my hand. So a little bit more, yeah, like this. So we feel that resistance in our hand. So when I move forward in here, we stay connected. We can still feel each other. Now the next point is, of course, how this leg from the side position getting forward. So you want to collect your feet, and after that going for your rocking action. And when you do rocking action, remember to use still settling action on end. Don't try to rotate too much, just a little bit settling end. And actually you don't have to bend the back leg. You can do it on the 2 straight knees, which will create a little bit more beautiful, flexible effect. 3, you know, from here, as we getting out of the step, you want to collect and then step side. So when you do it fast, it happens almost like your leg going through it without any stop, but there is a still moment of your feet touching.